Good evening is mine. When the suns go down, Hanoi transforms with the street light up with the air filled and sizzling sound and tempting aromas. Tonight, I will take you to taste something warm, comforting, a local favorite, a crispy snack that all of students love. And of course, we will finish the night at one of the city's most unique cafes. This is Hanoi Food at night. Let's explore. Oops, wrong way. If you happen to stroll around St. Joseph Cathedral in Hanoi, you will notice the little eatery right across the street. Cháo Gà Bà Mỹ. Anh ơi cho em 2 cháo. This chicken porridge shop has been around for a year and this one of place that locals love to recommend. The porridge in here is also very different. It's cooked with whole grain, thick and smooth, with only one touch of sticky rice to make the extra aroma. The chicken is free range, seated to the tender and juicy piece. And this hot bowl comes with the spring onion, perilla, bit of pepper, and also chili powder. And this is the perfect with crispy fried stick. Simple but comforting and full of flavor. Price around 40 to 55,000 Vietnam dong. Not the cheapest, but considering it's the location in the old quarter and the quality is absolutely worth it. The shop opens from the morning till late at night, so you can enjoy it any time of the day, even after evening walk. And here is the fun detail. People all nickname this is Cháo Chửi or the scooting porridge. Because in here, the owner is a little bit straightforward. Sometimes it's a bit sharp. But locals say it just adds to the experience as long as the porridge stays delicious. So if you want to taste the true Hanoi comfort food, this is definitely the place to try. After a warm bowl of chicken porridge, right by St. Joseph Cathedral, let's take a short walk inside the old town. Hidden alley is Tam Thuong Alley. By day, it looks like any quiet lane, but when the evening comes, it completely transforms into a lively street food corner. Is the famous one snack that local people and students love for years. Famous Nem Chua Rán. Nem Chua Rán is a fermented deep fried pork roll. Outside is very crispy, inside is still soft and juicy. And the flavor of savory, sweetness, a little bit sour hidden inside. And the best way to eat this one when it's hot, straight from the fryer. What makes this place special isn't just the food, but the atmosphere. Sitting shoulder to shoulder on the low stool, chatting over a plate of golden Nem Chua Rán. It feels like real Hanoi nightlife, casual, fun, and full of energy. The price is very friendly, only few thousand dong per piece, so you can enjoy everything with your friends without worried about the cost. Many locals say it's not just a snack, but a piece of their student memory. Cheap, tasty, and always try good times. So if you want to back in the childhood, I think Nem Chua Rán is the thing you shouldn't miss. we are. We are in one of the most famous streets in Hanoi, the Train Street. At night, this narrow street transforms into the cozy, vibrant spot where the local and all of the foreigners sit just a few feet away from the railway track, sipping their drink and waiting for the train to pass by. Now most of the people they come here for the classic Vietnamese coffee, but now it's already late, so I choose something lighter. A fresh fruit smoothie. Honestly, it's not about what you drink in here. It can be juice, tea, even just a soda. What really matters, of course, is the atmosphere. Sitting on a teeny stool, surrounded by drinks you like, chatting with friends, and knowing that just few minutes later, a train will come this way, crumbling, and right next where we are sitting right now. You can feel the vibrance of the ground, the wind roasting past, and the thrill of seeing such as the massive train speed through the little street, all while holding your drink in hand. And that moment is just what makes this place unforgettable. And it's like a mix between excitement and pure Hanoi charm. So whether it's coffee, smoothie, or whatever you want to drink, the drink is just excuse you sit here and waiting for the magic happen. Now let's enjoy it together. And that's the taste of Hanoi at night. Fun, lively, and always full of surprise. If you like this little food, walk with me and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more food adventure. And if you ever visit, just join me the tour and I would love to show you all of this flavor in person. And now, see you in the next video.